lavish. Yes, I've been had it. I'm a real princess. These bitches is catfish. What's all that static? Catch me in traffic. Been doing this shit. My music is.
What's good, YouTube? It's your girl Sharon. I'm back with another video. So right now we at the beach because today's my sister's birthday. Like this is us at the motherfucking beach.
So cold.
That's why I ain't trying to get in there.
It's not cold.
Lily,
Get back up here, girlfriend.
go get that thing, Robert, so it don't want to go, so it won't go out there.
Yo, Robert, you scared? You scared of us? What's this?
Oh, look at my hair.
Wow, that's cold.
I thought you just said it wasn't cold. He's right there. There he go help the fishing. I don't know where my niece and my nephew go. And my sister. Oh, there go my sister. There you go. Are y'all ready to go to the ferry?
Oh, yeah, fuck that fair.
Nephew, how are you enjoying the beach?
Badly.
Why you don't like it?
Rocks.
Why are you liking the beach, Lily?
I think you should come to water.
Huh? You think I should come in the water? I was in the water with you earlier. Come on.
There's a lot of rocks here.
Yeah, it's a lot of rocks. Watch your step. You see it? Come on. What's up, guys? It's like 5 o'clock in the morning. We just made it home. I'm tired. I'm ready to take a bath. Today was fun overall, but I'm finna get in the tub. Let me look right there. I'm finna get in the tub and eat and go to sleep, I think. But if you guys enjoyed this video, like, comment, subscribe, turn on post notifications, and we out this thing. Bye.
Thank you, next bitch.
I'm addicted, something like a headache got me twisted, but still I gotta have it.